Now the second construction. Here we construct a triangle similar to a given triangle with a certain scale factor. To construct a triangle similar to a given triangle as per given scale factor. The scale factor means the ratio of the sides of the two triangles. That is, we have to construct a new triangle, the ratio of the sides given. So there are two types of triangles. One, a smaller triangle and a larger triangle than the given triangle. In this scale factor, if the numerator of the fraction is less than the denominator, the new triangle will be a smaller one. Otherwise, that is, if the numerator of the fraction is greater than the denominator, the new triangle will be a larger triangle. First we will construct a smaller one, then afterwards we can consider the second case. The method is almost similar, a slight difference is there. Now, suppose we want to construct a triangle whose sides are 3/4 of the sides of a given triangle. The scale factor is 3/4. The ratio of the sides or the sides of the new triangle should be 3/4 of the sides of the given triangle, so that triangle will be a smaller one. If the scale factor is in the reverse order 4/3, then the new triangle will be a larger one than the given one. So consider this. The ratio, scale factor is 3/4, the ratio of the sides is 3/4, that is, sides 3/4 of the sides of the given triangle. So, consider the given triangle, suppose this ABC. This ABC, the given triangle. Then we want to construct the new one whose sides 3/4 of the sides of this triangle. For this, draw this array AX. This AX. Making an acute angle with the AB on the opposite side of this vertex C. Opposite side of the vertex C, that is in this side. And then the ratio is 3/4. Then the larger of this 3/4 is 4, the denominator. So mark 4 points, this 4 points, say A1, A2, A3 and A4 on this AX, such that this A1 is equal to A1, A2 is equal to this A2, A3 equal to A3, A4. A1 equal to A1, A2 equal to A2, A3 equal to A3, A4. So we have to write these steps. Let ABC be the triangle. Step 1. Step 2. Draw AX, the ray making acute angle with the AB. Step 3. Mark A1, A2, A3 and A4 on AX such that A1 equal to A1, A2 equal to A2, A3 equal to A3, A4. So mark these points in this way. Then join A4B, then join A4B. Then through this A3, so here this A3 is with these three portions 1, 2, 3, A1, A2, A3. The numerator is 3, so 3 divisions. After 3 divisions, this A3. Draw this A, B dash parallel to A4B, meeting this AB at the point B dash. So, next step, draw A3 B dash parallel to A4 B, meeting AB at B dash. Meeting AB at B dash. You know how to draw this parallel line using a compass. So draw an arc here with a suitable length. With the same, draw the arc here also, and then with this distance mark here another arc. So through the point of intersection of these two arcs, draw the line. The method you know quite familiar. So from this. Then through this B dash, draw B dash C dash. B dash C dash parallel to BC. In the same way, draw this arc, then same arc here also, then with this distance, okay, this B dash C dash parallel to this BC. Then A, B dash, C dash is the required triangle. Required triangle. A, B dash, C dash is the required triangle, and that is our construction overall. But we have to verify this. So the drawings remember AX, mark A1, A2, A3, A4, 4 points satisfying this condition. Join A4B, draw this A3 B dash parallel to A4B, then B dash C dash parallel to this BC, then A, B dash, C dash is the required triangle. And now, for this verification. So, consider this A3 B dash. This A3 by A3 A4, this A3 by A3 A4, which is equal to 3 by 1. Up to this A3, we have 3 divisions, 1, 2, 3. 3 divided by A3 A4, 3 by 1. So, you know, this is 1, relation 1, 3 by 1. And now consider this AB divided by AB dash. Consider this AB divided by AB dash, which is equal to, this AB can be split into two, AB dash plus B dash B. So this is equal to AB dash plus B dash B divided by AB dash, and which is again equal to AB dash by AB dash, which is 1, plus B dash B by AB dash, B dash B by AB dash, B dash B by AB dash. And now, consider this triangle A4B, this triangle, this A4B, this A3B, A3B dash and A4B are parallel, and therefore A3 by A3 A4 is equal to A B dash by B dash B. A3 by A3 A4 is equal to A B dash by B dash B, BPC, BPT, basic proportionality theorem. And A3 by A3 A4 is 3 by 1. Therefore, A B dash by B dash B is 3 by 1 or B dash B by A B dash is 1 by 3. B dash B by A B dash is 1 by 3 is equal to this 1 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 4 by 3. That is, A B by A B dash is 4 by 3. A B by A B dash is 4 by 3. Therefore, A B dash by A B is equal to 3 by 4. 3 by 4. This A B dash by A B, this 3 by 4. That is, the new triangle is A B dash C. This A B dash is one side of this triangle. The corresponding side to the other triangle is A B. So A B dash by A B is equal to 3 by 4. So for this side it is okay. The ratio is okay. Scale factor is okay. And now again consider these triangles A, B dash, C dash and A, B, C are similar triangles. This B dash, C dash is parallel to this BC. So these two triangles are similar because this angle is common to both the two triangles. This angle is same as this angle because these two are parallel. This two parallel, this angle equal to this angle and therefore this angle is also equal to this angle. A criteria, these two triangles are similar and therefore the sides are proportional. So sides are proportional means this A B dash by A B is equal to A C dash by A C equal to this B dash C dash by B C. But A B dash by A B is 3 by 4. So all these equal to 3 by 4. That is, for the new triangle A B dash C dash, this A B dash by A B equal to A C dash by A C equal to B dash C dash by B C equal to 3 by 4. So the newly constructed triangle is such that the sides are 3 by 4th of the given triangle ABC, and that's all. That's all. Construction completed, the verification also completed, and that's all. Okay. And now consider the scale factor is in the reverse order, 4 by 3. 4 by 3. In this case, the slight difference is this. Join this A3 with B instead of joining A3 with drawing this A4 joining with this B in the first case, but here A3 joining with this B. Then extend this AB and this AC. Through this A4, draw a line parallel to this A3B. And here take this B dash. Draw B dash C dash instead of here C dash, we get this C dash here. Draw B dash C dash parallel to this BC. Then A B dash C dash is the new triangle, the larger triangle. This is the situation. We can verify this. The scale factor is 4 by 3 in a similar way as in the first case. In a similar way. So that part is left for you as exercise. You can do it very well. Easily you can verify. Okay, so this is the method. And in these two situations, remember the construction. In the first case, 4 points, second case 4 points, A1, A2, A3, A4. In the first case, join A4 to this B and parallel to this BC, draw this B dash C dash. In the second case, join A3 to B, this A3 to B, and draw parallel from this A4 to this AB extended. Draw this B dash C dash to this AC extended. So A B dash C dash be constructed, duly constructed similar triangle. So remember this. Okay.